Cutie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a guest on my channel, my little brother. Say hello. Still say hello.
Wagwan.
So today we'll be doing a never have I ever challenge, and you know how it go, right? I said something,
yeah,
and
never
then
have.
I have to be honest.
Yeah, man.
I kind of really don't want to know the answers to these questions because him young and him act like him a one big man. I'm gonna depend that with him. So yeah, so let's just get into the video. The first question is, this is kind of dumb because I initially wrote it with mommy. Never have I ever kissed a girl. Like, hold it up close so they can't see. I have never. No, strictly dickly. Period. The next question is, never have I ever taken a sexy selfie.
Yeah, I for sure have to something to do to a girl then.
Shut up. Alright, the next video. The next question is, never have I ever had an STD. Nope. Our records are clean. Period.
Ever clean.
Alright, never have I ever peed my pants.
Oh yeah, enough time at school. I'm in a primary school glow. What? Tell them no?
No!
Alright, so this is one time when we were driving down to Texas, right? Brianna did have a pee and she never have nowhere for stop, so she end up peeing mama that car. Jesus, the car these stink of pee the rest of the week.
No.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
I say this thing. Pumba.
My foot tell them.
It's alright, man. Me have something for you. Never have I ever drove under the influence. Him can't drive, so that
yeah, because certain people don't know how to teach.
No.
Next question.
Never have I ever faked it.
Yeah.
You can't fake it. How?
Yeah.
You can fake.
Yeah, I'm just. I just pick up. Okay. The condom before she realized.
I never need to know all of that. Seriously, I never need to know all of that.
Next question.
Never have I ever done it in a public place. What's public though?
No comment. No comment.
This is my answer. No. Call me boring, but no.
You're a good girl, you know. To an extent.
Never have I ever cheated on my partner.
I'm gonna run them weird.
You're wicked and lie.
Who my cheat?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
When I never eat your bun?
No, I'm never eat bun. How do you? Who you give bun, pal? Oh yeah, that's understandable.
Alright. The next question is, never have I ever cheated on a test. Me knows that you cheat on tests, so make sure you put that up.
Every single one. Every single one.
Alright. The next question is, never have I ever sexted the wrong person.
No.
That would be weird. Like, how would it go to the, probably like if you're doing it in Snapchat.
Yeah.
Probably.
Snapchat me takes all of my people in fun.
Or you get them but you never yet cheat. Oh, that makes sense.
If me not, if
1
me
plus
not
1 equal 2, but for 1 plus 1 equal 5. That don't make no sense. Yeah, I
no.
want my girl but you never yet give bun.
Me not no girl, cause if she's not my girl, then it's not official. That means I can't cheat. And plus you know something I talk to other people them too. How do that?
Roof.
Shut up, Brianna.
Never have I ever lied to my parents about where I'm going. Me, parents including me.
I never lied to you about where me I go. You always know where me I go. Enough time.
I think I've only ever done it once to mommy.
Probably
once,
like 3 times with mommy.
And it was so dumb. Never have I ever had a one night stand.
No, the girl them always I come back from work.
Ah! Ew! I'm like, you're gross.
Next question.
Oh my goodness.
We're not talking about that right now.
Never have I ever given a lap dance.
No.
Gotta keep it spicy, ladies. Take notes, okay?
Father.
Next question is, never have I ever watched porn. Guys, I never know what RedTube was until I catch him and watch it. Him my little cousin.
Which
you and Xavier.
Oh, the first
in
time.
my room. It was in my room. When I have the light off and I told her to sit down in there and watch it with a little nasty self.
The first time I learned about that in a grade 5 when one of my friends, I think it was Andre, he tell me about it.
Nobody call nobody name. Supposed to watch it.
Nobody, we're not talking to nobody from JN like that no more.
Wow. Russian switch.
No, well, them just never part with me like that.
Never have I ever shoplifted. I'm very curious to hear this answer.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Where did you steal from?
One time when the little you was there too. It was me, you, mommy and daddy, and we got Mega Mart and my teeth out the car them the little like $20 car them
Mega
out
Mart,
of
you know, come for the money.
and then you did catch me, I play with it and you wrong go tell mommy pa me. Cause me outside there, right at the side of the house I play with them so nobody no find me, you know, and you go snitch me out. Next question.
Never have I ever peed in a pool.
Yeah.
Who doesn't? Who doesn't?
Decent people.
Never have I ever been chased by a dog. This happened to me the other day.
From the year start, I must get chased about like 4 dogs now. One time when I come off.
Next question is, never have I ever used the bathroom in complete darkness.
Yeah, sometimes I'm just too lazy to turn on the light.
I have like, what's the, I don't know what you need to say. You don't need to say. You don't need to say anything.
Enough time I'm too lazy to stand up on PB, so I'm just sit down, you know.
Alright. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy my guest, Munir. And hopefully we can get him back for more videos. Yeah,
go make me do it anyway, so.
Yeah, because support your family. But guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.